It does not. I mean, and it's a very situational thing because we are in a situation where we are we are in charge of what we need to do on the field, and we understand for that to happen, we need to be in the most balanced space possible. We feel pressure playing any kind of game, and it's also a thing to understand that as professional cricketers, you eventually start thinking about the situation that you're going to be in as batsmen and bowlers, or batters and bowlers, so I should say. And it's very important for us to keep focused on that, because a game like this, there's such um, unnecessary stuff from a professional point of view happening on the outside, that it's fine as long as that stays outside our controlled environment, and we just focus on what we need to do as cricketers. And hence I always maintain that for me it's never been different to any other game of cricket that we play. Yeah, we have spoken about our combinations, obviously. I'm not going to reveal them right now, but we have put in place a very balanced team, and something that we feel covers all bases properly. And we are pretty confident in terms of execution as well, because guys have been playing a lot of T20 cricket recently in the IPL, and everyone's playing well. So that is a very positive thing for the team. Now it's purely down to execution out there in the middle, which everyone, as I said, is confident to do so, and professional enough to understand their roles. And role clarity is something that we have addressed already. So yeah, we feel we're very prepared. Honestly, I feel that Hardik presently, with his physical condition, is getting better in terms of being prepared to bowl at least 2 overs for us, at a certain stage in this tournament. And we strongly feel that we can you know make the most of the opportunity that we have at hand till the time he starts bowling. We have considered a couple of other options to chip in for an over or two. So we are not bothered about that at all. What he brings at that number six spot is something that you just can't create overnight. And hence, I was always in favor of backing him in Australia as a batter purely, and we saw what he did in the T20 series, and how he can take the game away from the opposition when he's in full flow. So these things, for from a talking or a discussion point of view, seem very, very interesting. That if he doesn't bowl, will he be left out? But we understand the value he brings to the team as a number six batter. And in world cricket, if you look around, there are specialists who do that job. We try and go into any game with absolute preparation, understanding of our plans, what we need to do against the opposition, and as long as we do that, we go in confident against any team in the world, anywhere. So now, for me to say that now we have great bowlers and we didn't have great bowlers before, I mean we have won in T20 World Cups every time we played them. So if it was only a case of our bowling being weak, then we probably shouldn't have won those games. So I don't think on those lines. For me, what matters is how the individuals are playing at that particular time, and what I can say is that all the people in the team are playing their roles to perfection, are executing their plans really really well, and that gives us a lot of confidence heading into this tournament. नहीं, हम लोगों ने कभी इन चीज़ों को डिस्कस नहीं किया है कि क्या हमारा रिकॉर्ड रहा है और हमने क्या इन द पास्ट किया है. जैसे मैंने बोला कि इन चीज़ों से काफ़ी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस क्रिएट होती हैं, और मैटर ये करता है कि आप कैसी प्रिपरेशन करते हैं और उस दिन आप किस तरीके की क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, रिगार्डलेस कि आपके सामने ऑपोजिशन कौन है. और हमने अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली उन सब मैचेस में, इसीलिए हम जीत पाए. मतलब अगर सिर्फ रिकॉर्ड के माहौल से अगर हम गेम को अप्रोच करते तो आई डोंट थिंक कि इस लेवल पे वो चीज़ें काम करती हैं. वो बल्कि उल्टा आपके ऊपर और एडेड बैगेज या एडेड प्रेशर क्रिएट करती हैं. और दूसरी बात, पाकिस्तान टीम मेरे हिसाब से काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम है और हमेशा स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम रही है, और उनके अगेंस्ट आपको हमेशा अपनी बेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि उनके पास बहुत टैलेंट है और ऐसे प्लेयर्स हैं जो गेम को चेंज कर सकते हैं कभी भी. और ऐसी टीमों के अगेंस्ट आपको अपना अपना बेस्ट प्लान लेके आना पड़ता है सामने और मेक श्योर करना है कि एग्जीक्यूशन हमारी अच्छी हो और हम कंसिस्टेंटली जितना खेलेंगे उतना हम प्रेशर बना पाएंगे ऑपोजिशन पे, तो हमें डेफिनेटली अपनी ये गेम लेके आनी पड़ेगी. I believe so. I mean, looking at the IPL finals, I believe that the quality of pitches definitely is going to be far better in this T20 World Cup. Also, it being a ICC tournament, we know that the standard of pitches has to be maintained to a certain degree, which is consistent across all venues. And I understand that to protect the pitches for a tournament like the World Cup, there had to be some kind of compromise in terms of the playing conditions when we played the IPL. So we all understood that, and the wicket in the IPL finals was very, very good. And I think someone asked me about the dew factor as well and how the toss is going to be important. I think the dew factor is becoming prominent as we head into this time of the year in Dubai, and that is also going to help the pitches play much better. I presume Abu Dhabi and Dubai are going to be probably the best pitches out of all the venues, and Sharjah more or less will stay true to its true nature, which is slow and low, and I don't see many high scoring unless dew becomes such a massive factor there as well. But yeah, wickets I feel are going to be much better in this tournament. काफ़ी अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने. काफ़ी बात हुई है इस चीज़ के बारे में. अच्छी बात यह है कि हम एक IPL जैसा टूर्नामेंट खेले जिसमें 60 टीमें और होती हैं, आपके पास रोज़ हर हफ्ते नया चैलेंज होता है, तो आप इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं गेम में कि टूर्नामेंट एक बिल्डअप हो रहा है, 1.5 महीने का पीरियड होता है और आप जाके एक चीज़ की तरफ आप एक गोल को अचीव करना चाह रहे हैं. और अभी वर्ल्ड कप में भी उस तरीके की हमें एक मोटिवेशन मिलती है कि आप मल्टीनेशनल टूर्नामेंट खेल रहे हैं, अलग अलग टीमों के अगेंस्ट खेलने का मौका है जिनके अगेंस्ट आप पहले कभी शायद ना खेले हो और खेलने का मौका ना मिला हो. तो ये सब चीज़ों से नए चैलेंजेस उभर के आते हैं जिससे आप अपना फोकस रख पाते हैं. बट आई थिंक आगे जाते हुए इस चीज़ को कंसिडर करना बहुत ज़रूरी है